broke it.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly. We win.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a closet clean out. Like, I'm just going to clean my entire wardrobe. I need new summer clothing, but I have no space. So that's what we're doing today. I'll just quickly show you what my wardrobe looks like right now. So this is my entire closet. And then here I have clothing that needs to like hang. And then this is like the biggest part of my closet. Hi. This is like all my clothing basically. Here I have like sweaters, and then there are some sweaters and like long sleeve shirts, t-shirts. And then what's behind this? Is there something behind this? I don't think there's something behind this. And then that's like summer tops. Those are like pants and jeans and stuff. And then this is like shorts and skirts. So yeah. So I guess we're just gonna start. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start with this, and I don't really know if I should get everything out and then put everything back. Maybe that's the best option. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I haven't cleaned out my closet in like the longest time. Ooh, this is my prom dress. It was navy blue and it was cute, so we're definitely keeping that. Stay positive. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a sweater with my name on it, and I have literally worn this so freaking much. Okay, so this is a Shawn Mendes sweater. I literally never wear this, like ever. I think I've worn it like once, and then I just wore it because I never wear it. So if you're interested in buying this, it's this blue Shawn Mendes merchandise. I bought it at the Illuminate tour in Brussels because I thought it was really pretty, and I do think it's really pretty, but I just never wear it, and I don't know why. So if you're interested in buying this, hit me up, because you can literally buy this from me. They don't sell it anymore, so it's like limited edition if you want. Oh my god. Shawn Mendes the tour 2016. Hurts my heart. Oh, this is like the prettiest Shawn Mendes merchandise I own. This is what we have left. We're probably gonna fill it with things that are in that closet. So I'm just gonna leave it like this now. And I broke it. So let's continue with the biggest mess ever, which is this part of the closet. So these are all the sweaters. Literally, where did I get so many sweaters? Why did I get so many sweaters? I really don't know how I should organize this, because I have so many sweaters, but like it just doesn't fit. I'm honestly so lost. But the problem is that I also like wear like almost all my sweaters, so it's like I can't really get rid of a lot because I wear all of it. Oh, this is one of my favorites, the one that says Amsterdam. This one's also really pretty. I'm honestly so annoyed by the fact that I have so many sweaters. But every time I see a cute sweater, I'm like, you can never have too many sweaters. But then I look at my closet and I'm like, I love this one. I love yellow and Bernie Melville, and this is so soft. This is like one of my favorite sweaters. I wear this so much. We're gonna continue with long sleeves. see it, but I have so many stripes. It's insane. I'm trying to like not buy as many stripes anymore, but it's kind of a problem. Like this could be really cute, but I just never ever wear it. So that's gonna go. This one is really cute. I wore this for my graduation last year. I love this. We're gonna do the t-shirts for my bed because I can't be bothered to stand up all the time. So did anyone like mention stripes? Because this is a problem. It really is. So first I'm gonna look at everything that I want to keep and like not keep. And then after that I'm gonna look at what I wear a lot and what I not wear a lot, because then I can like separate it. Ooh, this one. I got this one in London this April and it's honestly so cute. I really like this one. Does this look pretty on me? I could crop this into like a crop top. That could be cute maybe. That goes to maybe. I don't really know if you can see it on the screen, but this has like a yellow stain. Can you see it? Wait, where is it? It's like here. Can you see the stain? Yeah, you can see it, right? That's gonna go to maybe, because I don't know if you can remove that stain. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I got a medium, when this is like, this could literally be a dress on me, but we're gonna keep that. This is one of my favorites. Dream with your mind. This is like a really pretty color and the material is so soft, but I never wear it for some reason. But I am gonna keep it though. Justin Bieber merchandise. We're gonna keep that. I never wear it, but we are gonna keep that. Maybe not in like my actual closet, maybe with stuff that I want to keep but not wear. Same for this one. This is Sebastian Olzansky merchandise, but the T is I don't like him anymore, so yeah, I'll look at that later. James CW merch. I always think that I don't have a lot of merchandise, but then I'm like, oh wait, I kind of do. Well, not that much. It's mostly Sean. You know what's funny? I literally got this in 2017 just because there was no Sean merchandise left that I wanted. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get James merchandise because no one was getting that. And funny story behind that was that the girl in front of me was like, who is getting the merchandise from the support deck? And I was like, hi, can I get one James CW shirt? And it was so awkward. And now I really love James. Like, he's literally one of my favorite artists. But back then I was just getting it because I couldn't get any Sean merch. I was stupid. This is a shirt that I really don't like, but my mom does. So my mom keeps putting it back in my closet, but it's just gonna go to no again. So now we have all the clothing here. Now we're gonna put it back here. So now I'm going to like categorize it in what I wear like a lot, what I wear sometimes. So yeah. It's literally so hard to organize these shirts because they're either like I wear it all the time or it's like I never ever wear it. I'm just gonna keep it like this right now and then I'll just change it later because honestly I don't want to look at my t-shirts anymore. It's just gonna make them all look ugly because I'm starting to like not like all of them. We're gonna continue with these tops. We're just gonna get everything out of here. I'm kind of like, if I get rid of everything, then I can just buy new stuff, you know? First, I'll throw everything just in here and then I'll organize. These are both, like, really cute. But I never, ever, ever wear it. Like, I think the last time I wore these is like 3 years ago. Do I ever wear this? I'm scared that if I throw it away, I want to wear it. But I literally, this is a shirt that I have never in my life worn. I've never ever worn this before. Okay, I'll just keep it for now. But same with this. I think I've worn this once, but I'm scared if I throw it away, I'm gonna want it. It's just gonna go to maybe. This is really bad, but this shirt has a tag on it. I've never worn this. I got it over a year ago, and I've never worn this. It's gonna go to maybe because I've never worn it, but I just want to try it on. Oh, this. I have worn this a lot. I don't wear it anymore, but I have worn it a lot. Why is this not with t-shirts? This one is not very comfortable, but it's black, and I don't really own that much black tops, I think. Same for this one. This is not that comfy, but it's white. This is cute. This is a tube top from Brandy Melville. This is another tube top from Brandy Melville. This is another white top. We love white in this house. Everything that's white. This one's really cute. I don't think I'm gonna wear this, so that's gonna go to maybe. So now we need to organize this. So we're gonna go with crop tops, normal tops, and like t-shirt top. That sounded so confusing. We're done. So that was all my tops, sweaters, and t-shirts. So now we're gonna go to pants. I always thought they were really cool, but I've literally worn them like once, so that's gonna go. White jeans are always useful. I found my belt. I literally lost this like a year ago. I honestly feel like a new person. So shorts and skirts. That was kind of fast. I only threw away 2 shorts. Okay guys, are you ready for the end result? This is the pile of clothes that's either going away or that's a maybe. And then my room is a big fat mess, but that's fine. I tried to somehow color organize this. Like it's like blue, dark blues, black, gray, greenish, red, pink, yellow, white. But that didn't really work, but I tried. And then this is the other part of the closet, and it looks so organized right now, which is honestly so nice. So for the pants, I have like not jeans pants that I wear a lot over there. So behind this, I have like jeans and pants that I don't really wear a lot. Here I have jeans, and then behind that I have black jeans, and then here I have some jeans that I do wear a lot. So then we have this, which is like my shorts and skirts. So here I have my skirts, shorts that I wear a lot, skirts that I don't wear a lot, and shorts that I don't wear a lot. And this is a dress and a jumpsuit, just because I don't want to hang them. So that's that. And then for t-shirts, I have t-shirts that I wear a lot, t-shirts that I wear kind of a lot, t-shirts that I don't wear a lot, and long sleeves. That sounds so stupid. And for tops, I have like here like the off-shoulder stuff, then like normal tops, tube tops, crop tops, and like t-shirt-ish tops. So yeah, and then I have sweaters, which honestly speaks for itself. It's just sweaters. So yeah, so that's what my closet looks like right now. And honestly, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.